You are going to love the 2017 ProMaster. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. RAM ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.